locker. The list goes on and on, but in this specific video, I'm just going to show you exactly what I did and how I got ungated. So the first step is to go to Dick's Sporting Goods and find a cheap product that Nike carries, like headbands, socks, etc. I found these headbands here. They're currently $12 now, but I found them for $6.98. So you just do some glancing around, at Dick's Sporting Goods and try to find a very, very cheap product that Nike carries, and go ahead and find that listing on Amazon. And we'll go ahead and plug that title into Amazon. And right here, I already plugged it in. As you see here, this is selling for $24.94. Which is going to give us a profit about $8.79. When you're doing this, you're not going to find, products like this unless you do some, research on the back end to try to find different listings to try to become profitable. A lot of these, a lot of these products, you're not going to really find profit. So I happened to get lucky when these headbands were actually on clearance, and I used a discount code from Dick's Sporting Goods to get that price down to $6.98. All right, so you're going to find a listing that carries it. Make sure that it's the correct listing. These are the Nike Girls Swoosh Sports headbands. It's a 6-pack, as you see here on Dick's Sporting Goods. They're currently at $12, and even if you were to buy them now, you would still make $4 in profit. So the goal here is you're going to go ahead and have to buy a total amount of 10 units to send to Amazon for the invoice specifically. So any 10 units, so that way you can submit that invoice over to Amazon and they can approve you to get ungated. So let's go ahead and request to get ungated. Like, I'm already ungated as of now, but we'll go ahead and try to I'll show you step by step on exactly kind of the process. So this listing, like the Nike listing that I just previously showed you, and this is going to be an example. I highly suggest you guys utilize SellerAmp, and as you see here, where it says eligibility restricted, that's exactly what it's going to indicate to you, Nike. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click manual ungate. Okay, you're going to try to request approval. It's not going to let you. It's going to block you and tell you to submit an invoice, right? So what you are going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is you're going to go ahead and go to Dick's Sporting Goods. You're going to buy 10 units of this specific product. They're going to go ahead and provide you an email confirmation that your order has been placed, right? So when you go into your account right here under the orders tab, so if you go click orders here, it's going to show you an order number. What I did was I literally screenshotted the order. So right here where it shows you the units or how many you've purchased, your address, which I'm going to blank out, and the brand, right, whatever you bought. So what I did here was I literally just took a screenshot using Snippet or whatever screenshot tool that you want to utilize, and I literally just took a screenshot just like this. Boom. Screenshotted that out. Went back to Amazon. You are going to click all these buttons, select your screenshot, and in the comment section, you're just going to go ahead and put requesting to get it ungated in Adidas. But this example is for Nike, so it'd be Nike, right? You're going to go ahead and submit that to Amazon, and most likely they will approve you. So this is my first video, guys. So I'm getting new to this whole entire thing, and education and teaching is not completely my specialty, but I want to get better at it. So if you guys like this video and you guys want me to go ahead and produce more content, go ahead and smash the like button and shoot me a subscribe. And I will continue to keep the ball rolling. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully this helps you guys.